Hi YouTubers, it's Alex from Extreme Motorsport, and we have today 2003 Audi A4 station wagon, and we replacing the acceleration pedal, and it's part of the acceleration pedal and module in the one assembly. And customer came to our shop with the complaint the vehicle went to limp mode. We did some diagnostic and we find the problem it is in the acceleration pedal. Here's the new part. It came directly from dealership. Here's the part number, and to replace it not gonna take a lot of time. You need to unscrew three bolts. One of them goes here, one on the side over here, and one on another side right there. And also you need to remove this side cover over here, and you can remove this piece which is on the clips right here and right here, but probably I would say to be gentle with that. And another one is basically disconnecting this connector and use Allen to unscrew those two screws and replace with the new part. You need to go with your computer in the system and do adaptation for this new part. And thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please ask, and I will try to answer as soon as I can. Thank you for watching.